Good. Good afternoon, students. Today, let's discuss on the compound inequality or combined inequality. I understand we are aware of these inequalities, and there are just some you can get that has got one inequality, which is a simple one. But so it's wise we start with this one of combined, which I'm going to show you how we can solve this. Good. So to solve the combined inequality or the a question that it has got two inequality, how do we treat this one? So learners, it's a very simple. What we do, let me write. So therefore, solution to this, what we normally do, very simple. You can write your question. Let's say 3. This one is less than 2x minus 1. Then this one means less than or equal to 7. Less than or equal to 7. Good. So if you have this, learners, it's very easy. I always say you divide this data into 2 equal parts, whereby the first part you can come from here to where the other inequality is. There. So this will be your first inequality to solve. Yes. Then the second inequality will start where the first inequality starts up to the end here. So that will be your second inequality to solve. Good. In other words, what we are doing here, the center, this data 2x minus 1, this one here, you are just trying to do this part. From this part here, you will equate it to the ones on the left. Then at the same time, we will come from here, going to the right, you will equate to 7. Good. So let us solve our first inequality. So our first inequality, we can solve now being single. You'll do what? It will be now 3 less than 2x minus 1. So that is what I have. So to go ahead, I'll do what? I'll solve this, meaning I'll collect the like terms, so it will be 3 plus, if this one comes this side, it means it will do what? It will change the sign here, so it will be positive. So it will be plus 1 less than 2x. Less than 2x. So meaning, learner, so it will be 4 less than 2x. Now to remain with the x value, you know very well, we'll divide both sides by what? 2. Divide both sides by 2. So we'll have 2 here, 2. So it means we will have what? We will have our solution here to be 2 less than x. So this becomes our first solution. Good. So we go to the second solution again. As I said, the center we equate to the right now. So the second now here, the second solution or the second inequality, it will be equals to 2x minus 1 less than or equals to 7. Good. So what do we do now? It will be easy now. It will be we collect like terms, means 1 will go this side, so it will be now 2x less than or equals to 7 plus 1, which will be 8. Good. Go ahead and do what? Divide both sides by 2. So we'll have our answer here to be x less than or equal to 4, because 2 goes here how many times? 4. Now this becomes your second solution. I think up to there we understand what is happening here. Now, good. Now you have this and this. So we have our first inequality. We have 2 less than x. Then our second inequality, we have x less than 4. So what we'll do at the end of the day, we have now also to combine this, meaning in the center we'll have x. We'll have x. So you can focus here. Let us start now. This one we apply here. It means this will just come x. The two legs here facing x, they will just face x that way, meaning it will be now here 2. Good. Then we go now. This one we also apply here, meaning katip that is on the x, it will be just that katip, that, then 4. Very simple. Then this becomes your answer. This becomes your answer, students, and you score your marks. Good. So that is how we solve that step by step until you reach to your answer. Good. That marks the end of the solution to the compound inequality. We'll come with more of the solutions, and I understand as we keep on coming to the discussion, we'll have to learn more. For today, bye-bye.